What's going on, AI pros? Michael here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to create your own AI clone that looks like this, that you're able to start making money with. Now, if you've never made money before, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to be not only giving you this checklist for free with a bunch of AI prompts and 130 plus AI tools you can start promoting, also done for you short form content that you can post on your social media platforms. But to get access to the checklist, just go ahead and go to digitalplaybook.com and you'll get taken to this screen right here. This is our free community. As you can see, there's 41 members already here. And once we get to 100, I am going to put a paywall in front of it because this checklist and this information is super valuable. So go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know you're taking action and go ahead and grab this checklist. So to create your AI clone, you are going to want to go to a tool called Replicate. And basically what Replicate is it is a tool that is linked to ChatGPT that allows you to, based on a trigger word like Mike or your name and whatever photos that you've used, it generates pictures that are really, really good. Obviously, there's other ones like Sora, a couple other ones. I like Replicate, and I like this because the tutorial of how to get set up, where is it? Right here. Matt Wolf made it. Just go ahead and watch that. It's literally 19 minutes, and that's how you are able to set it up by going to Replicate. I'm not going to do it in this video because it would take too long. But once you have everything set up, I'm going to show you how to create these images that look like this. This is what I use for my short form content. So if you go to ChatGPT, you want to copy this prompt right here. So this is what I use because, that's funny. This is what I use for the prompt that gives me variations that look like this. So I just say whatever, Mike with a dinosaur, literally can't spell. Let's just go to one of the first ones. I'll type Mike sitting at a desk on a computer. And then it gives me 3 different variations. And the reason I like this is because if I were just to type in this and to replicate, it would give me something super bland. But when I take this, and I'm doing this in a short form style. Okay, got the tattoos, did not get the hair right. But not, okay. I'm going to download it. Every time I generate something, I download it because I can use it in my short form. But that is what you need to do to get good image generations. Super simple. I gave you the prompt up there. Just pause it. But what you do is you'll go in here, put that in, and then just run. And then you would import this into something like Gen 3 to take the image and the video. And that's a whole process that I go through on my previous videos. But this part of this section, I know this video is super short, super easy, but this is how you're able to create your own AI clone, which allows you to create that army. So that's it for this one, AI pros. I'll see you in the next one.